Hello guys, welcome back to a new The Strongest Battlegrounds Skill Builder video. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also like the video so others can see it. And join my Discord server for Robux giveaways, link down in the description. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First, make sure to get your move ready. After you're finished, insert sound from Toolbox and put it into the timeline. Then go to Roblox Creator Store. Search for the sound you want and press in Sounds. Find the audio you need. Press More Info. Click the three dots and copy assessed ID. Go back to the game and paste your ID and custom sound ID. Now you have it. If you made it here, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this tutorial was helpful, and also join my Discord server link in the description. Peace.